Welcome to Integrazo. In this video, I'll show you how to connect Elementor Form with Zoho Campaigns using the Integrazo plugin. Form submissions will be automatically added to your Zoho Campaigns mailing list as contacts. No coding required. Let's get started. The plugin download link is available in the description below. Download the plugin and install it on your WordPress website. Once the plugin is activated, you'll see a Zoho Campaigns menu in your WordPress dashboard, as shown in this video. Now, click on Add Account to connect your Zoho Campaigns account. Here, enter an account name to identify this connection. Next, select your data center based on your Zoho account's region. I'll select zoho.com. Once you've entered the account details, click Authenticate to connect your Zoho Campaigns account. You'll now be redirected to Zoho's authorization page. Here, Zoho asks you to grant Integrazo permission to access your Zoho Campaigns account. This authorization is required for the plugin to create and manage your mailing lists and contacts. Check the box to allow access, then click Accept to continue. Your Zoho Campaigns account has now been connected successfully. You can view the connected account in the Accounts tab. If you need to make any changes later, simply click Edit to update the account settings or Delete to remove the account. Now, let's move to the Setup tab and create our integration. Here, click on the Add Integration button to create a new integration. First, provide a name for your integration. Next, select your Elementor form from the Form dropdown. Choose the connected Zoho Campaigns account. And finally, select the mailing list where you want to add your form submissions. After making your selections, proceed to the next step. Now, the field mapping section will appear. On the left side, you'll see the form fields, and on the right side, you'll see the corresponding Zoho Campaigns fields. Simply map each form field to the appropriate Zoho Campaigns field. If you need to map additional fields, click the plus icon to add a new mapping row. Then, select a form field from the left side and choose the corresponding Zoho Campaigns field from the right side dropdown. Continue mapping all the required fields to ensure your contacts are added correctly to the selected Zoho Campaigns mailing list. Once the field mapping is complete, you can proceed with the remaining integration settings. If needed, you can use the Filter Criteria option to sync only specific form submissions. Simply select a field, choose a condition, and enter the required value. Only submissions that match the defined criteria will be sent to Zoho Campaigns. Once everything is configured, click Save Mapping to complete the integration. The integration has been saved successfully and is now active. Your Elementor Forms submissions will be automatically synced to the selected Zoho Campaigns mailing list according to the configured field mappings. Here, all your integrations will be listed. You can manage each integration using the available options. Use the toggle button to enable or disable the integration, or use the Edit and Delete actions to make changes when needed. Next, click on the Logs tab at the top. Here, all your integration logs are listed. You can review the synchronization status, view log messages, and check when each activity was recorded. Use the available filters to quickly find specific logs and monitor your Zoho Campaigns integrations. That's all for now. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Don't forget to check the plugin link in the description.